Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lonnie and it is Friday and I am solo because Candace and my girls went on a big trip out to San Francisco with her mom and some other of her aunts and whatnot. But she'll be back soon. And right after she left, I went and picked up this huge buy of Funko Pop stuff and other toys. So the past few days I've just been in here listing away on eBay. Pretty good anyways. This is my third day of listing. I did on Wednesday. Okay, I bought them on Tuesday. I didn't list any that day, I don't think. I don't know what the 21 is. Maybe I did list a few things. I don't remember. The past few days have been a blur. Wednesday I listed 57. Thursday I listed 70, which was yesterday. And then today so far, I think I've listed around 30 something like that. I am keeping track of everything on a little spreadsheet over here. I mean, it's nothing fancy. All I'm doing with this little spreadsheet is I'm tracking the total amount of all the listings I've done, the number. I'm using a count on this for a number, and then I have an average per item. So far I've listed 164 items for $3,538, average of $21.57, not including shipping. I have quite a bit left to go, but I have made a big impact in it. And I mean, I'm stuffing these things wherever I can in the shed. It's not going to be a problem because I've already sold off a pretty good many. I've gotten a pretty good many out of here, and I've got a pretty good many more to pack. After I finish this round, I'm going to work on that. So storage in the shed, it's a little tight right now. It's kind of a mess in here. This is a bunch of other stuff that I need to work through here from that same buy. Have some stuff in there, some stuff in there, some stuff on the floor there. But this, I think, is the last of the pops, the normal quote-unquote pops that have pop protectors. I do have another box. I have a box of like the really high-end, I think it might be here, the really high-end ones that are autographed and stuff. I'm probably going to do those after I finish these. But I wanted to show y'all, I don't really show a whole lot about actually listing on eBay. Wanted to share with y'all, and I'm not saying this is the end-all be-all way of doing this. I'm just going to share what I do, which is the only thing I ever do on this channel. I don't try and say you should do things like this. I just want to share how I'm doing it, and you can do with that as you will. So I'm going to go through photographing and listing a few of these things, and we'll be at the photography tent for a minute, and then we'll be over here at the computer actually listing on eBay. And I'll show you my entire process because I've really gotten it down at this point. That's why I love these bulk buys. As long as the money is right, I love them because like you can really get into a good flow, a good process, and work way more efficiently than if you're just doing all unrelated one-offs. So let's get started here. Okay, please keep in mind I am going to be working one-handed. I'm not going to wear a harness or anything like that. So I do have a black background just because I feel like it's a little more contrast for the pop. I also have this stand. Reason for the stand, that first picture, I want the pop kind of elevated to where the light is shining into the pop case better. I'll give you an example. Okay, the first one, I'm going to do all this line. I'm not going to do all this line up on the video, but I am going to photograph all this line. So I just put the pop on the little acrylic stand. You can see the light is going into, it's actually going into the pop thing really well. So the pop box or whatever you want to call that. And then I just take, I have this on manual, and pretty much my settings are locked. 1/160th f7.1, and pop. All right, and then I take it off of there, and then I just proceed to get a shot. Like I said, I'm working, this is actually a little quicker when I'm not working one-handed, but I just get every side. Oh, the battery is flashing on the camera. I'm gonna have to swap batteries here. And then I also get the bottom there. And then in between, I take a picture of my hand or something. So change the battery pack. That's how I do the photos on these pops. Then after I take the photo or get the photos, I put it back in a pop protector. I take them all out of pop protectors because when they're inside the pop protectors, it's kind of hard to see like small details of what, you know, because I want the pop collectors want to see what condition the pop boxes are in. So I'm not taking any of these photos in the protectors. And then I just put it back here and then continue right on down the line for the rest of them. Okay, so we're on the computer now, and I'm going to show y'all how I do this. Again, I'm just sharing what I do. I took 4 photos. I already put the memory card with the photos in the photos of 4 pops. I already put the memory card in the computer, so that's ready to go. So what I do, I grab the first one in the lineup, and normally when I've been doing this, I photograph 10 to 20 at a time. You could do more if you want, but I like to switch tasks every now and then just to stay kind of fresh. All right, so the first thing I'll do, I go to my little spreadsheet here. I'm tracking everything. And this is going to be Wild Thing from Major League, okay? And then I go to the Pop Price Guide website here. And I'll just do Wild Thing, and then 886. It is a Chase. It has this little thing here, Chase edition, which sometimes it's worth pretty good bit more money. Holy cow. This one says 70 to 250. What? Okay, I didn't know I was going to be dealing with something like that. Okay, Ricky. I'll just type in Wild Thing. Then I go to eBay. And I get that first price just to kind of get like some idea. I like to look at it on Pop Price Guide and on eBay. So, okay. And also you want to look at the actives because that's who your competition's going to be. So I see 75, 76. That's from Thailand there. Here's one, $100 free ship. And the Chase, look how much more the Chase edition is worth over the normal one. Okay. So, oh, you know what it is? Okay. Here's where I think the here's where the higher price ones come in, where this range says 70 to 250. The 250 ones are probably signed, because you can see this one right here is signed for $132. All right, so then I look at the solds, and yeah, in my opinion, just looking through here, I'm thinking $75 is going to be is where I want to be. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is a little heavy-ish. So okay, so this is the part where I have to figure out. Oh, I put it in here so I don't forget into the spreadsheet, and then it updates these numbers here. Okay. And now that I've gotten that done, I've got this up. The first thing I need to do, check my title, and then I check custom label. And that means I need to know where I'm actually going to put this. So let's go put this on the shelf. Okay, so I have and I do this for everyone, so I get a little bit of reseller cardio in, maybe. Pretty lame, right? And okay, I decide, okay, I'm gonna go 7B, It'll fit in nicely right there. All set. Well, back to the computer. Okay, we're back at the computer, and I put 7B here. And I do have a Funko category. And then this first one is it. I keep everything in order, so I make sure the photos stay in order. Take a look at that photo. Looks pretty good to me. A little bit of glare, but it's good. Like they can see what kind of condition it's in or whatnot. Plug that in. This, please see photos for cosmetic condition of packaging. Will come with a pop protector. All right, so we're gonna do $74.99. Usually I do first class shipping on these. This one I'm gonna do priority, and it's gonna be 1 to 2 because I'm gonna use a little bigger box and I'm gonna use a little more padding. I don't want any of them to get, and I did 1% promoted. I don't want any of them to get damaged, of course, but the higher value ones, I'm going to be a little more careful with. So there, we have that one ready to roll. We'll list it, and I'm going to do one more while we're here because I want to show y'all how I keep my how it's real easy for me to get these photos organized. So I hit done. I'm done now. I'll look at the next one. Okay, this is Fallout T51 Power Armor. So I'll go here, T51, I'll just call it that, and I get a pop price, T-51, and I mean I use, honestly, like pop price guide has been, I think, pretty spot on so far for me. Okay, I have this blue one right here. Why is it starting at estimated value $17? Okay, so that's a starting point. Then I do T51 370 Funko sold. You know what? I'm gonna do blue. There we go. And okay, I have the Best Buy one. So let me do Best Buy. There we go. All right, there's one. Okay, that's a good $25 free ship. That's pretty good. There's another $25 free ship. And there's no, like you see a wide range of prices. I like to keep mine on the higher end of solds that I actually see selling. So I think I'm going to do $19.99 here, which is a little bit above pop price guide, but it's in line with those $25 free shipping solds that I see. And then I need to figure out where I'm going to put it. 7B, I already know, because I know I have more space there. And do Funko Pop. And here's the part I wanted to show y'all. So after the first one, I go into the photos and I go all the way to here, all the way up to my hand. Then I'm going to delete them. I'm not saying you should delete yours. You may want to keep yours archived in case eBay loses your photos or something. But then I always know the next round of photos I want to upload is after that first set. I delete the first set, I upload the next set every time. That way, it's easy for me to get the right photos. Do the paste, do the price. And now I'm going to come back in, change that to first class, 88889, boost 1%. Everything's good, and then I list. So this has actually gotten pretty quick for me. Not as fast while trying to explain it, but hopefully y'all found a little bit of value out of seeing my process. And I will see y'all again very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.